Hi guys, so today I'm sharing one of my easiest, simple, powerful hairspray that's helped me grow my hair from this to this and then to this within a very short period of consistency. I'll be taking you on the easiest method you can prepare this at home, and please don't skip any part because a single mistake can ruin this whole recipe. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. So here is the first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe, which is rosemary. Rosemary helps increase blood circulation to your scalp. It helps to stimulate your hair follicles. It helps reduce shedding. It helps with itchiness, dandruff, and dry scalp. And you know, when your scalp is clean, it makes it easier for your hair to grow faster and better. And all we need for this recipe is just 2 tablespoons of dry rosemary or a handful of fresh rosemary. Into a clean pot, you're going to pour in your rosemary, and next we go in with a glass of clean water. We are going to place our pot over the heat and allow this simmer on low heat for about 15 to 30 minutes. As it simmers, you can notice the color becoming light golden color and the smell is going to become stronger. And this is the sign that the rosemary has released all its nutrients into the water. Bring it down and sieve this using a sieve or a cheesecloth or a stockings. Now our rosemary water is ready. We are going to keep this aside and allow it to cool down while we dive into preparing our next ingredients. Take your fresh aloe vera leaf, cut off this part, you don't need it. You wash this thoroughly, then cut your aloe vera open and extract the gel. So just in case you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please do well to hit the like button and give this video a thumbs up, okay? So aloe vera is very great for hair. It serves as a natural moisturizer. It hydrates the hair, strengthens the hair, and reduces breakage. After extracting our gel, this is what you should have, and now you can decide to place this aloe vera into the blender and blend it, or you can go ahead and use it this way. As for me, I'm going to be using it this way. So now our rosemary water is all cooled down, and I'm going to be mixing the both of them together. Just pour them together and stir it up properly. Please don't make the mistake of adding this rosemary water to this aloe vera while it's still hot. After mixing thoroughly, this next step is really important. You're going to be straining this mixture. Whether you blended your aloe vera or not, you don't want to skip this step. Now here is the advantage of blending your aloe vera. As you can see, I have a whole lot of wasted aloe vera gel in my strainer. At this point, you can decide to add in few drops of your favorite essential oils. For me, I'm adding some of my coconut oils. If you don't want to add essential oils, you can as well add your favorite hair growth oil. This spray will help promote faster hair growth. It's going to help with moisture retention and a healthier scalp. And I can say this is one of the easiest herbal spray you can make at home. And you know the best part, it works for all hair types. So I'll just transfer this into my applicator bottle for easy application, and our powerful hair growth spray is ready. And now, because the application process is really important and you don't want to miss out, so I'm going to be showing you how I use this on my hair, how I apply this on my hair. That helps me retain so much length and grow my hair faster. One good thing about sprays is that you can use them whether your hair is out or on protective styles like braids, cornrows, twists, or even natural locks. As you can see, I'm using it on my protective style because I'm always on protective style most of the time. In order to use this spray, you're going to start off by applying this on your scalp. First, you will focus on your scalp and make sure every part of your scalp is covered with this spray. And just like I said before, this spray is not only going to fasten your hair growth. So if you're dealing with dandruff and itchiness, this spray is also going to help you tackle that. So just make sure to apply this generously on your scalp. But that doesn't mean you should make your hair soaking wet. Just make it damp enough. And now that I'm done applying this thoroughly on my scalp, I'm moving on to my hair strands. Make sure every strand on your hair gets equal love from this spray. Please also try to focus on the ends of your hair. This is very important. You know, when our ends lack moisture, it tends to snap easily and break off. So you want to keep it very moisturized. And also, don't forget to show some love to the edges of your hair. They deserve to grow as well. As you're applying this, you're going to be using your hands to rub it into your scalp and your hair. As you can see me here, I'm trying to squeeze this moisture into my hair strands because I'm on protective style. So if you're on protective hairstyle, do well to squeeze this into your strands, okay? Because it can get a bit difficult for our hair to absorb moisture when it's on protective style. After applying, the next step will be massaging your scalp. See, the importance of scalp massage cannot be overemphasized. It doesn't only help boost blood circulation for faster hair growth, it also helps any product you apply to penetrate deeper into your hair strands. And of course, scalp massage is very relaxing. I mean, who doesn't like scalp massage? And that's why you're going to be massaging your scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure the product is well penetrated into your scalp. The next thing we're going to be doing is sealing in all that moisture, and I'll be using this hair butter that I made. I'll be dropping the link on how to make this hair growth butter. I'll drop it somewhere up here or at the end of this video, so do well to check it out. And if you don't want to use hair butter, another thing you can use to seal in this moisture is hair oil. So use any hair butter or hair oil of your choice. If you're using hair butter, just put a little amount in your palm, rub it and apply it on your strands and the ends of your hair. But if you be using oil, apply some little amount on your scalp, then on the strands and the ends of your hair. You don't need to use too much of the hair butter or the hair oil. Just use a little because a little goes a long way. Now, about how often you should use this spray on your hair. This spray is totally safe to use on your hair daily. But if you can't keep up with using this daily on your hair, use it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. And about the storage and shelf life, you can store this in the refrigerator since it contains aloe vera and it can last you at least 7 to 10 days. Always make sure to make smaller batches so it can stay fresh and effective. This spray might look too simple, but I promise this is going to make a huge difference in your hair growth journey, as this spray has completely changed and improved my hair growth journey. One thing I always say and I like saying is that there is no such thing as overnight hair growth when it comes to natural remedy. The only way you can see real results is through consistency. So you cannot use this once in a week, then skip the next week and use it the upper week and expect to see results. No, natural remedies doesn't work that way. So use this spray consistently, and within 4 weeks of consistency, you're going to be seeing new growth here and there. you're going to notice some difference in your hair, and as you keep using this, you're going to be surprised at the length you're going to retain within a short period. Just try out this recipe and you're going to be seeing real results. So guys, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe if you would like to see more of hair growth recipe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when next I post. And of course, I would like to hear from you on the comment section. What is your hair struggle? And tell me if you'd want me to make a video about that. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.